Hello guys, I get a question from somebody asking me how do you build your legs. So these are the workouts I normally build my legs. So you guys can see I start with my elastic. I'm standing with the 2 blocks. I have a block under me. So I'm doing like a dumbbell squat. So I don't have a dumbbell. So this is how I do. So you guys can see here. So this is the muscle I'm coming to build for the first. I go by open like a body size. So do this at least 25 reps.